everybody. My name is Savannah Mason, and today I put it up high because you're going to see my face, and I'm going to make it rain with Uno cards. Here we go. Alright, you see me? You don't really. Oh well, you don't need to see me. Here we go. I'm going to make it rain. I'm going to make it rain. I'm gonna 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 make it rain. Alright. So let's see what we made in minutes. Whoa! There you go. Look. I'm gonna make it rain. Oh, hey, Lena. What's up, Gira? Alright. What? Today. Have a seat, Lena. I made it rain. I made it rain. Yeah. Alright. Today, we're gonna make it rain. We already did that. Let's mark that out, okay? And I want y'all to subscribe, please. And that's it. So, see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Lena.
Bye.
I love you, Lena. Bye. Bye, guys.